In this video, I want to share 3 tips with you on how you can build confidence on camera. And we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Walter Strong, the host of The Huddle, where we share tips and tools on making live streaming easy for you as a beginner. Each day, thousands of new videos are uploaded for the first time by new content creators on YouTube. However, there are also thousands of others who fail to press record and upload their videos because they lack the confidence to do it. So, how do you deal with this dilemma if you're in that category? Number one, you practice getting comfortable being on camera. When someone sends you a text message on your phone, don't send them a text message back. Take the time and send a video message back. The more you do that, you will begin to practice and learn to get comfortable on being on camera. Tip number 2, learn to make eye contact with the person on the camera. Notice I didn't say make eye contact with the camera. Imagine you are having a great lunch with an old time friend you haven't seen in a long time, and they're sharing and you're sharing, and you're both making eye contact with one another. Well, the same way that is done, you make eye contact with the person on camera, speaking to them if they're face to face with you. And then finally, learn and to know your content. As you learn and know your content, you will be more confident to share what you're passionate about, share from what your experiences are, and share about certain skills and abilities that you want to help others to build and develop in themselves. And so, if you do these 3 things, you will be able to develop and build confidence on camera. And so, the question that I have for you is, which of these tips will you use to build your confidence on camera? Let me know in the comments section and let me know which one is working for you the best. And if this video has added value to you, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, click the alert notification button, and join the conversation in the comments section on how you are building confidence on camera. Hey, I'll see you in the next video, or you can check out this next video that YouTube is going to recommend you.